Oh, this is a good one. Leer. Leer. This is a tricky word to pronounce because you probably want to say leer. Leer. And some people in Spanish, like some Spanish speakers, I remember on the news I saw some politician said leer, leer, and everybody was making fun of him on the news, on social media, because this politician said leer. And it's funny because the pronunciation of this is leer. It sounds like two words, but it's one, but it's pronounced as two words. Leer, leer. So it's a long e. Leer, leer. Remember that. Don't say leer because that's wrong. That's wrong. Okay, excellent. The meaning is to read or reading when talking about hobbies. Leer, leer. For example, amo leer. Amo leer. Tengo demasiados libros en casa. Amo leer. Tengo demasiados libros en casa. And this means I love reading. I have too many books at home. Okay? Now, previously we said that when you talk about hobbies and you want to say I love doing this or that, the phrase me encanta is great if you want to say that. I love, and then the hobby. Also me gusta, very commonly said. I like, and then the hobby, you add the hobby to the phrase. But you can also say amo. Amo is a great word. It's a conjugated verb. It's conjugated. And the verb is amar. Amar. Yo amo, tú amas, él ama. Amar means to love. So when you say amo, it's like saying I love something, right? I love. You can also say yo amo, of course. But if you, oh my God, I'm sorry. It looks so horrible, my writing here. Anyways, yo amo means I love. You can say yo amo leer, and that's correct. But a lot of people in Spanish, a lot of Spanish speakers, they just say amo. Amo leer. Amo caminar. Amo jugar. Amo comer. Okay? So amo means I love. And then you add the hobby. Leer. Reading. Leer. Amo leer. Of course, you can say amo. You can use amo if you want to talk about movies, if you want to talk about places, if you want to talk about anything, pretty much anything you can love. Amo leer. I love reading. Leer. Remember, it's not leer, it's leer. Tengo. I have. Yo tengo. Tengo. You just need tengo. Demasiados. Demasiados means too when talking about quantity. Too many. Okay? Or too much. Too much, too many. It depends on what you're talking about. Sorry. Sorry, I need water. Libros. Libros means books, and we're saying demasiados because we're talking about libros. Los libros, masculine and plural. That's why you say you need demasiados libros. Too many books. En casa. En casa is a term that is used to say at home, you know. Estoy en casa. I am at home. Tengo libros en casa. I have books at home. En casa is a very useful term when you want to say at home. En casa, at home. You can also say en la casa, right? You can add the definite article la, but you don't need it. You don't need it. You can use en casa, at home.